Hey guys, Chris here, back from CNH Small. You got another quick and informative review video here for you guys. We got a good old Toro snowblower here today. This is a single stage Power Clear 518ZE. It's an 18-inch width on here. Has the newer overhead valve engine on this one right here. This is the Chinese one. This is the ones that are actually made after they discontinued the older Tecumseh ones out there for that. So this is the Toro Power Clear 518ZE. And here's the front of the machine right here as well too. Auger pads look good. No major problems with that on there. Pads look great. I don't see any kind of deformation or severe abnormal wear on those ones right down there. So pads look great. Rubber pad looks great on there. They're actually contacting the bottom of the back of the actual plastic chute, it's called scraper bar. They got a bottom down here. So the pads look good. They don't have any problems with them on there, and it has plenty of space to shoot the stuff up the actual tube right there for that. So it looks great. No problem with that. And here's the back section over here. Here's your actual first-person point of view from the rear of the machine. Looks great. It only has one control handle bar here for the actual engagement and disengagement of the auger unit down there as well too, guys. This is a single stage push. And here's the rear of the machine's decal tag down here for you. Made by Toro. Let me zoom in here for you guys. Sorry about that. There we go. 38473. The serial number designated at 315, the first three digits right there, guys. So, and this one also has the provisions for the electric start, as it is right here. Got provisions for the electric start on the machine as well too. I haven't actually tested it, but they do have them on here. This guy's machine need the following work done to it. Need a new spark plug right here. The actual oil need to be changed a couple times. Unfortunately, the owner of this machine, he had about 36 ounces of oil in the actual crank. I don't know who in the hell overfilled it, but the guy had almost like triple the amount of capacity in the actual engine right there for that. Plus the other thing was the carb was all varnished up, and because of that, we simply take the carb off and replace them on here. The carb includes a new linkage right here for that. You get a new linkage, get the carb assembly. You also get a two gaskets and the intake manifold block assembly for that as well too, for the actual carb rebuild kit. Carb rebuild assembly, I should say, more precisely. These engines, they have a oil capacity of about 12 to 13 ounces of oil capacity, bone stock. So do not put like 18 or 20 or 25 ounces of oil in these cranks down there, guys. You have your dipstick right down the back here, guys. There's your dipstick over there. You also have your drain plug on the bottom right down there as well too. You have your key down here, your PCV, or I should say your breather right here, pipe breathers piped right here, your primer bulbs right here, and your choke is up on the top. And here's your spark plug for obvious reasons right down here. Your spark plug and spark plug boot, and your overhead valve logo right here as well too, guys. So machine's running fine now. We did a drain out the tank and the line on here as well too, because the tank had a lot of crap and sediment in there, so we got that all cleaned up. These carbs, let me see what the heck they were. The carb was about 40, 45, 50 bucks, somewhere around there. I can't remember exactly what the price was, but the carb is actually cheaper on this Toro machine as opposed to the MTD newer ones that have the Chinese engine right there for that. So if you're trying to repair yours, price wise, it'd probably be simply more cheaper and economical to get the Toro Chinese engine right here as opposed to the MTD style carburetor out there for that on your MTD style snowblowers right there for that. So we'll go ahead and fire this thing up here, guys. It should fire up in one pull because I had it run here for about 10 or 15 minutes ago. So we'll do a quick demo start here for you guys real quick here. So bear with me here while I get the camera situated, and I don't have it flying out of my hands here. So let me see what it does here, guys. There we go, running good. One pull. Sounds great. get the primary working. Looks good. And we'll pull the key out. So it's working good for that, no problem. And the auger also works fine on it as well too. I really can't show you the auger because it's kind of difficult trying to show you the auger at the same time while I'm trying to film it here. So I could probably do a quick shot here for it, but we'll go ahead and fire up here again. The auger. Okay, let me spin it over here real quick. Show you here in the back. See if we get their angle. There we go. The auger's working great. Go ahead and shut it off. Okay, plug it back up in there. Okay, good to go. So the machine's ready to go back to the customer. All in all, it took about a night to do the job to get it actually put back together right there and taken apart and all that good stuff right there for that. So all in all, this machine is a relatively okay machine for like light usage around your house if you're doing your sidewalk or like a small driveway out there for that. So if you want to get something that's lightweight and should be relatively durable for doing sidewalks or small driveways, this is a okay machine to purchase out here for that. Just be mindful, you do need to remove all the fuel at the end of the season. Me personally, I recommend draining out the gasoline probably after a month's time if it's in your shed or garage. Or you can also use non-ethanol gasoline, and you may be able to store it in your garage or shed for maybe at least 3 to 5 months out there for that, for reference point right there for that, guys. So anybody has any comments or questions about this machine, this is the Toro Power Clear 518 ZE with the 18-inch width cut and a 90cc overhead valve 4-stroke Chinese sourced engine, guys. So give me a call or just give me a message here if you want to have any more detailed information about this one specific machine, guys. I'll see you and have a nice day.